Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to lock and unlock the Win key on your keyboard. As you see, in this case, when I hit the Win button, it's going to start, yep. But you can lock it by clicking Fn plus Win. So, Fn, Win, tick. One more time. And as you see, I just locked it. Yeah, and it doesn't work for now. So if you have the case that your button doesn't work, so you have to hit Fn and Windows. And voila, you're gonna be unlock this key. So lock and unlock. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.